Hi, my name is Shannon Ziegler and I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and polish your countertops with just a damp EnviroCloth and a dry window cloth. To clean and polish your countertops, run your EnviroCloth under water and squeeze it out so it is only damp. I fold mine into quarters, which gives me 8 surfaces to work with when my cloth gets dirty. Now we'll just wipe down the counter using the EnviroCloth. I'll just do this portion. And then take the dry window cloth to polish it. When you're finished, hang the cloths to dry.